Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove file type associations using the Registry Editor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, best match, should come back or Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on either your computer or an external hard drive. And if you ever need to import it back in, if you made a mistake and you want to revert it back, you can select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So we're going to just start by double-clicking on the HK classes root folder. Click on a random folder and type in .bak. See a .bak folder in here. Go ahead and right-click on it and select Delete. I sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its subkeys. Select Yes. And this will remove, like I said, the file type associations that you might have customized at some point. So anyway, once you're done with that, you can go ahead and close out of here, and you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.